All right, Fox, this is my last 10 minutes and I want to show you how it looks like this project. If you notice, I have a 28 kW already open. I'm fired up just a minute ago. Make sure everything is okay. 28 kW, 28,000 watt Generac generator is the first unit come up on the market with that high watts. So now I have two panels, two ATS and 1 meter 400 amp. Like I did is I went down with the schedule 80 pipes all the way down 2 inches going up only in once. The other one for easy work for me, I just went on the side, right, and then I went out and supplied through this pipes inside the panel. So sometimes I use this left for avoid any non-convenient access to the LV. I get an LV up through 90 up, 90 bending, LB, and then I went out with the 90 again and support with the unistrap, PVC straps, right? And I use aluminum wires. I use the number 10 here from the generator to the Johnson box. I went through with the 2.5 inch connectors, metal connectors, jointed, and I use the property bushings, nuts, and the same in this side. I use the hole adapters right here, 2 inches for going through, one transfer switch for pass through. Instead, make a joint inside here. If you notice, all the joints are inside, and I can push this in, and I do not have, if you notice, any of the joints out or push it out the cover of the Johnson box. The most effective price I found out for do this type of job. Again, I have the 2 transfer switches, 200 amp. I went out after you notice. Probably I do different the next time. I will do different the next time. A couple things about electricians. If you are homeowners, if you are just a contractor or a guest, watch this video. Please comment below if you have any other idea. Enjoyed this video and that hopefully it can help you for understood what type of job. So I got literally 12 hours doing by myself. It was a big job, and just always remember, the knowledge is a freedom. The knowledge is power. See you in the next video. This is Joseph, iProEnergy. Ciao.